everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package from Lorene Plans, and this is my PR package. Every month I get to pick out some things, and I didn't pick out anything for 2 months, so I didn't even mean it to work out that way, but it did, so I was able to get 2 months worth of stuff in 1 month. So this is going to be a pretty big package, and I am excited. So I am a PR gal for Lorene Plans. She has beautiful stickers, wonderful, all different sizes, all different kinds, and she has a whatever this is called, a fill 'em up thing so that you can get credit with her shop. And if you use the code TT.Scraps 20, you will get 20% off, and a sampler sheet that was made exclusively for me. So let's see here. Here's the little, it says look for this sticker on the free sampler. With each order, fill this card out for a $10 shop credit. So that's pretty cool. And then here is a sampler, and it has just all sorts of different handwritten words. And here is my freebie. So you will get this when you use the code TT.Scraps, and you will get 20% off. So how cute is that? I love it. And then she's been including one of these in most of the orders that I've gotten recently. I think actually all of the orders that I've gotten recently. But this one says, happiness is only real when shared. Isn't that sweet? And they've all been different. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is just a single sheet, and it's called Santa's List. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. If you hear my dogs, they're barking outside. This one is called Baby It's Cold Outside. And I buy the mini, like, I don't know what this one's called. Like the I don't know, it's the MHPD7. So I buy a small 2-page kit it works great for me. And there's actually, I use some different sizes. So I have, my planner is an A5 size, so it's kind of in between. And then I also have a different one for work. So I use different sizes for different things. But this is so cute. Look at the little dog. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. And then here are the days of the week. Oh my gosh. I think this might be for a horizontal planner. Maybe that's what that means. And I don't have a horizontal planner, but I will make this work. I promise you. And then this one is called Santa's Cookies. And it's Home Alone. Look at that. Rudolph is my spirit animal. Or it's not Home Alone. He's watching Home Alone on the laptop. This says ho ho ho, and something about Santa. I still believe in Santa. How cute is that? So cute. I love the plaid. Oh, it's adorable. A little hot cocoa with the penguin. Ooh. Oh goodness, and this one's called Christmas Penguins. There's the days of the week, of the month, and then here is the kit. Laundry today or naked tomorrow. I had a laundry bag in college that said that. How cute is that? Oh, and then I got the extra. So she sells them. You can buy single sheets. You can buy little kits. You can buy like all exclusive, but I kind of buy them. I buy a small kit and then I piece the other pieces if I want them. And this is, I like to make little dashboards out of these. It's so cute. I think she calls this a double. But I'll tell you what, when you go on her website and look, you'll be able to tell because everything is clearly marked. And these I use at work, and I think that this is for a Hobachini planner, but I just, again, I love this, so I went ahead and got it in this size too. And I'm going to take that one to work for sure. And oh my goodness, look at the Christmas mice. I have a thing for Christmas mice, and I love this. It's pastel, very muted, just gorgeous. And this one is called Let's Build a Snowman. And it's a cute little gnome, and there's snowballs. Oh my goodness. This is Let It Snow. And $2 Tuesday, date night, pay bills, clean the house, planning time. Just super cute stickers. I love her stickers. It is amazing. And I'm so honored to be a PR gal for her. Oh, and I don't even remember what this one was called, but I remember it and I thought, ooh, I might be able to use this. It's like a monthly. Isn't that cool? I like the stickers. I like the pink at Christmas time. It's kind of pretty. Ooh, and here's a February. How cute is that? And you can pick the date that you want it to start on. I was thinking of using this at work. And I think I bought several different months. So let's see, what did I get? Oh, here's a, okay, that's, yes, so that was a month. So I bought different ones, but I think that I can use these at work. So there's the December, here's February, here's October. Look how cute that is. Here is September. Oh, look at the hot cocoa and the chocolate chip cookies and the beautiful pumpkins. And then this one is called Christmas Coffee. So cute. Sorry, I keep moving it. I'm looking at it too, and the light is shining in my... Oh, I love this little guy. He has this little tee. Oh, and his boots. They look like they're too big. Here's a cute penguin set. Definitely will fit my work planner. It's beautiful. Oh boy, and here's Holly Jolly Christmas. And it's a 2-page kit. I am loving these. Goodness gracious. Lisa, you outdid yourself. And I'm sure that she is having a very nice Black Friday sale. So you guys are going to have to check that out. Baby, it's cold outside. Oh, it's so pretty. Even this girl's eyes are beautiful. I mean, the detail is just remarkable. Remarkable. And then here is a March kit. Isn't that one cute with the blue and the green? Oh, I love it. And then finally is the January kit. And it's the little gnome. Oh, I love it. So thank you, Lisa. I love these, and I'm super excited about using them. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you found some things that you like, and I know that you will not be disappointed. So please check out her shop and use my code TT.Scraps20. It lets her know that I sent you, and it gives you 20% off and a free sheet. So you gotta love it. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.